Alright, what's up fellas? How y'all doing? So in today's video, as y'all saw by the title and thumbnail, it's gonna be a touchless wash for your car. So what a touchless wash is, if y'all don't know, it's like pretty much washing your car without touching it. So you won't get like no swirl marks, you won't get nothing. So like, but also you get what you pay for. It's not gonna be like a great wash, but it'll still be a pretty good wash, you know, without touching your car, not messing up your paint. So what you're gonna need to do this is a leaf blower, a pressure washer or a hose, and like a little, if you have a hose, you get like a little extension that connects to the hose so you can spray soap on it so you won't have to touch it, and then just the hose so you can hose it down. Or if you have a pressure washer, you could use it, and a foam cannon, you can use that. So if y'all want to find where I got this stuff, I got my pressure washer at Home Depot. I got the foam cannon nozzle. I could get that in the description, and then you can get a leaf blower at Home Depot as well. That's where I got my stuff, you know. I'm pretty sure you check online, you could get some stuff there. But yeah, let's no more talking, let's just get straight into it, you know. Let's get it. This is what you get. My bad. My girl was recording and she didn't record me with the leaf blower. But it is what it is. It's cool. Alright guys, so yeah, it came out pretty cool. Appreciate all the love I've been getting, guys. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. What the fuck was that?